Here I have XIAOMI Redmi Note 9 Pro Max, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn it off by holding power key, then tap power off, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination power key and volume up at the same time, just like this, for a few seconds. After screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding volume down or volume up, and that's how you enter recovery mode. You can use volume keys to navigate through the recovery mode and power key to select options. Here you have such options as reboot, wipe data. Here you can wipe all data, and you can also connect with Mi Assistant here. So if you want to exit recovery mode, just select the first option, reboot, and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.